Hello and welcome to my fourth day of my holiday makeup series. For today I was like really nervous because I decided to do something different when it comes to colors. I'm usually more, because I'm warm toned, I usually wear more like golds and browns, and I don't really wear blue and silver much because I just don't feel that comfortable with those colors because I think they're just not the colors for myself. However, not everyone has the same taste that I have. So I decided, like, I always do something that I like. So I just wanted to do something that maybe takes me a little bit out of my comfort zone, but that would be geared towards other people that do like blues and silvers. So that is what I'm going to show you today, and yeah, let's do this. So I already did my dewy foundation. If you want to see how to apply it, just go back to the prior days. And then I did also my eyebrows. I used again the same Brow Sense. And then for my blush, I used the color Pinkberry. Again, this looks like very pink in the tube, but if you look on my face, it's actually very natural. And then I did one layer of my mascara. Okay, so that's it for now. That's what I've done so far. For today, I'm actually going to use the concealer because I do feel like I need to lighten up my dark circles a little bit. I've been having like really long nights, so not much sleep, and yeah, so this will definitely help me a little bit. So I'm going to apply it on top of my foundation. You can do whatever feels better for you. You can do it on top or under your foundation, and it's really not that much that you need. I'm using the color Light. Okay, so I brightened up my eyes. I think I look better now, and you could totally just do it with your fingers. I like to use this very fluffy brush. Okay, so now I'm going to move over to my eyeshadows. Yesterday I mixed colors. I used the blush with eyeshadows and mixed it up. But I understand that not everyone wants to do all the mixing or is ready to do all the mixing, although it's really easy and I think you should try it. But I do understand that it's not for everyone. So today I'm going to do something much more simpler, and I'm only going to be using two colors. I'm going to use Denim and Silver Shimmer, and those are not colors that I usually wear, but hey, let's try something new, right? Okay, so I'm going to start with my denim color, and I'm going to use actually my blending brush, which is like a fluffier brush, and put it all over my eyelid. And you can see it's like a very concentrated color, so you don't need really much. And I'm going to bring it up just a little bit above my crease. Okay, so I have it all over my lid, and now what I want to do is concentrate it really more on the outside of my eyelids. So for that, I'm going to use a different brush because I want the color to be really more concentrated. And you can see that I'm not dragging it, I'm really just patting in on my lids, and that's because I want the color to be really dark. And I'm not worried about the center because that's where I'm going to be putting the silver. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to do the silver color. So I'm changing the brush, taking a little bit of the silver, and again I want it like to be very concentrated. There you have it. I'm going to go back with my blending brush, and I don't want this line to be that harsh, so I'm just going to blend it a little bit. Easy, right? Okay, so now I'm going to add light. You know what? Actually, I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to go back with the blue and just grab a little bit, and I'm using my angle brush. Okay, and the last thing that I'm going to do is now adding a little bit more light. Here it is. And I'm going to use again my fluffy brush and just add a little bit here. This was too much. Okay, so I know this is like a really dramatic look. As I said, I'm not used to wearing blue or silver, but something I actually forgot to mention yesterday. When you have the eyeshadows that like today, like are very bold, dramatic look, you want like a sharp line, and it should go from here to here. So I'm going to clean up this part where I went over, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my same foundation and a brush, and you can use your fingers as well. And I'm just going to add just a tiny bit onto my brush, and then right where I want the line to be, I'm just going to put it there. So now I have a much cleaner line with a bit better shape. Okay, so I'm going to do, oops. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye, and then I will be back. Okay, so I did my other eye, and other than that, I really just added a little bit of the silver eyeshadow here to, well, under my dark circles, just to give a little bit of light there. And that's it. Other than that, I haven't done anything else. I'm just going to do a close-up so you can see my eyes. Okay, so I I want you to let me know how you like it, because I'm just not used to wearing blue and silver. So I'm going to finish now my with my lips, and since I'm doing such a dark and bold eye look, I'm going to do something with very little color for my lips. And I'm going to use mauve eyes. You can see the color is, it's pink, but very pale pink and very, very shimmery. Okay, so I did my 3 layers of my lip color. It's mauve eyes, and I'm going to, because I'm going for something very glittery, I'm going to use the Diamond Kiss gloss. And I do recommend that when you use this gloss, you do first a layer of the glossy gloss, because this one has diamond particles in it. It's like real crushed diamond, and that tends to like rub the color off during the day, so it won't hold as long as if you use the glossy gloss. So I always recommend use first glossy gloss and then on top the Diamond Kiss gloss, so you can have a longer wear of your lip color. But to save time, I'm just going to do the gloss, and I'm going to get close to the camera so you can see how it looks with the gloss on top. See the difference? So very shimmery. I actually like it a lot. The only thing is that it will wear off your lip color faster than any of the other glosses. So if you're planning to have your lip color on from 7 in the morning till the night, then this gloss is not for that day. Okay, so anyway, this is my look. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah, and tomorrow is the last day, and I'm going to bring you something different. Not just a different eye look, it's going to be something different. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow.